So my name is Barry O'Reilly. I run a small company based in Sweden called Black Tulip Technology. I'm a researcher and an educator and an IT architect. So the topic of my workshop is something called residuality theory, which is a new set of ideas that I've created through research that describes the process of creating a software architecture through the lens of the complexity sciences, and digs also quite deeply into some ideas within philosophy and merges these things together in order to give an entirely new perspective on what software architecture is and give us some ideas about how it should be practiced. I think it's incredibly important that as we move into a new era of computing, that architects have a new vocabulary and a new set of ideas to tackle the kind of challenges that we're encountering in today's fast-moving business environment, where things maybe aren't as predictable or as stable as they were before, where cloud computing has led to a situation where technology moves at a pace that we're not used to. I think it's important that we recognize that our profession as software architects has to move and evolve with the society around us, so we need new ideas. And this workshop is very much about new ideas, and not just new ideas that someone has come up with, but new ideas that are scientifically verified. I think the best thing about this summit has been the level of engagement that you get from the participants. I've had 50, 60 people who've sat through 8 hours of hardcore theory, new ideas, stuff that no one has ever seen before, and still at 5:30 there's a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of questions, a lot of energy in the room. As a speaker, that's what you want from this kind of conference: engagement and enthusiasm. So it's not just one of those architecture conferences where people talk about the same things that architects have been talking about for the last 20 or 30 years. Here's a conference that's daring to do something a little bit different, to be on the cutting edge and talk about things that maybe aren't in the mainstream right now, but are a little bit dangerous, a little bit daring, and that brings something entirely new.